Hi everybody, how are you all? I hope so that you are doing well, and this is your girl Lakshmi Kaur. I'm gonna share with you all that what's going on around us. It has been couple of years that coronavirus is going on our country, and not our country, all over the world, and this is very seriousness which is around us, and we needs to love and care of all us, and it does matter a lot. Okay, what the people thinks about this timing. This time is so terrible, so forceful, so hectical, and it needs to some kind of love which is we gain from the loved ones who truly cares about us, who truly love us. Okay, so we have to find out that particular person who love us, who care about us. Okay, so in this situation, the nature who are everywhere around us. Okay, and we can't live without the nature. Nature is compulsory about us, and nature is very important thing. We needs to care about that. And this time became like we are scaring from nature, right? If we did something wrong with nature, that then why it is not possible that nature also doing with us a wrongful act. Okay, so we have to care about, and we make sure that we are doing the right thing, and we are doing some careful things which is related to nature. And it is all about the nature, because nature is good, then we are living good. And this is how, when we start a new journey with a new and positive things, and which is related with nature. Okay, no any activity we will have to do who is harmful with nature, harmful with our society, our environment. So we don't need it, okay, anymore, because nature has show us her terrible face. Okay, their terrible face, and this kind of, okay, it's not end, because nature has a lots of terrible faces. If you are doing wrong with that, and if you are not stopping from that thing, then nature will come and another way. Okay, and this like this is a pandemic situation, and it will have to we become another terrible situation, which is going on like that. And always remember, nature will never give you a problem which you can't solve. Okay, suppose if problem comes in front of you, that means you have a capacity that overcome of it. You have already answered, that's why the question appears in front of you. All I want to say that don't be rude with nature, otherwise nature will rude with you. Why don't you understand that thing? If you take some space with yourself, then why not you take place with nature? Why don't you speak towards the nature, towards the fulfill the desire of the nature? What needs to nature? You have to consider about this now. Otherwise, this time it is happening. Okay, and it more than this time, the terrible time will come in a future, right? You might be not agree with me. It is true that we have to love our nature and love our environment. It is compulsory. Why don't you understand? Because nobody is live without the nature. Nobody can't do anything without nature actually. So we have to take some step towards the nature. And please think about it for a while if you have a time for the nature. Otherwise, nature will do anything with ourselves. And what is the nature trying to teach us? to the virus. We all are same no matter what is the relation of ours and what caste, creed, culture, custom and economic status are. We must fight with this together. Take nothing for granted. It teaches us to the value and having gratitude and appreciation for all that we have. Be sensitive and share and care. This period shows us the power of kindness and how important love and care is important for all of us and their lives also, because everybody wants to love and care in their lives. Because when you doing something, like you are doing hard work, so much hard work for your home, for their loved ones, for your loved ones, and apart from that you need also the love and cares also, because it's nourish the relationship between husband wife, between daughter and father, between uh, brother and sister, whatever you have relation, it's nourishing your love, it's nourishing your relationship, and it's nourishing the understanding of yours, right? And it's all matter, and it does matter to you, and it is all the means to I had to say that, love yourself, love your loved ones, spread positivity only, and spread sharing and caring also. Who are not loved ones, you also. So that's it. Okay, I'll show you song in the next video, and keep the work hard whatever you're doing in your life, and share my videos if you do like it, and let me know the comment section what you have to uh, recognize about me, that I am making the videos is useful for you or not, and and if you have a content for me that I can make on that particular topic, I can make videos, then please tell me in the comment section. And till then, bye bye.